Hi, I'm Jennifer Oertli. I'm the owner of North Fork Enterprises. North Fork Enterprises has been running now for 5 years. We're going into our 6th year. Prior to North Fork, I was a COO for a large federal contractor doing work primarily on military bases all over the United States. North Fork started in 2021 when I decided to leave my previous company to start my own, to start a company that I believed in and that I loved going to work for. Started in 2021, my first year. I really just spent my time getting my licenses, my construction, testing, everything done, position, my accounting system. Hired my first employee. Actually ended up discovering what I thought I was going to do. I was having a hard time getting into it. We're really opportunity driven. Found that there was a lot of money going into the infrastructure, the roads, the bridges, and there was work. So I bought a dump truck and an excavator from Western States, Cassie, and started putting it to work. Within 5 years now, I have up to, in the summer, 60 employees and probably have a fleet of 3 million, and we're doing an excess probably this year 20 million. So it's grown fast, but taken advantage of some opportunities out there and continuing to grow. I started because I was tired of my dead end promises not being fulfilled and wanted to work for a company that I believed in, that other people believed in, and a place to grow and provide a culture that I'd want to go to work with every day. And I think that that's one of the things that why we're successful is we're trying to build a culture that people do want to be a part of. A place that now my family works, my daughters, and something that we can be proud of. So we just finished a $4 million project for the city of Airway Heights. It was a traffic calming project, roundabouts, some landscaping, pedestrian paths. Just finishing that up in Airway Heights. We're now working with Max Cooney. We're working on the I-90 bridges over the Coeur d'Alene River and the Canyon Bridge. We also have a project for the city of Oertli and the Coeur d'Alene tribe doing a large pipe project. And we're continuing to bid projects, a lot of bridges and road projects. Being a woman in construction, there have been a lot of challenges I didn't think that were a real thing. Networking, it's difficult in a male-dominated environment. When I first started, just calling to get equipment and rent equipment was very difficult, and I wasn't getting the best pricing. Nobody took me serious. Nobody knew who I was. Getting people to work for me, the same. They lack the confidence in that a woman can get work, knows how to run the work, knows how to run the entire business. So it was very difficult. I ended up having to call Cassie at Western States, and she actually talked to me like I was somebody, and was very helpful. I'm sure I had a lot of dumb questions. She never acted or treated me like such, and got me going. She taught me a lot, and here we are. So I am a DBE, and I was able to take advantage, and it was something that I was able to capitalize in the beginning and getting some work and actually getting my foot in with some of the larger contractors. Now that program is gone, and I'm very fortunate and very proud that we can continue to get work, win work, without that designation, because we have a very capable team and capabilities to do the work. We were actually the first DBE in the state of Idaho and in Washington to be a prime contractor. So it was an interesting process working through the paperwork as a prime contractor being the DBE when all the DBE paperwork is focused on being a subcontractor. So we are super proud of the capabilities that we've developed North Fork is very product and opportunity driven. So depending on where our budgets are being spent really determines on what we're doing. We actually just won our first contract in Texas and started our first job in Texas. So just looking at some different opportunities and taking advantage of it. I don't see us stopping anytime soon with what we are doing. Definitely looking to do more bridges and roads, and we love that work. And we'll just grow on it as opportunities arise. We've been very fortunate to employ some very knowledgeable, extremely talented people, and so getting more work to support them.